our Everyday English Practice series. In today's lesson, we will focus on greetings and introductions, which are essential for daily conversations. Whether you're meeting new people, starting a business meeting, or catching up with friends, mastering these phrases will make you feel more confident and comfortable in various social and professional settings. Let's dive in and learn the art of greetings and introductions. First, let's learn some common greetings that you can use throughout the day. When you meet someone in the morning, a polite good morning is appropriate. During the afternoon, you can use good afternoon, and as the day turns to evening, a friendly good evening is fitting. These greetings are formal and show respect for others' time and the context of your meeting. Remember, using the appropriate greeting adds a touch of courtesy and consideration to your interactions. Now, let's move on to informal greetings, which are perfect for more relaxed and casual settings. Hi and hey are friendly ways to say hello to friends and colleagues, and they are commonly used in everyday conversations. When meeting close friends or family, you can keep it simple with a warm hello or an enthusiastic hi there. These informal greetings reflect familiarity and create a welcoming atmosphere in your social interactions. Next, let's practice the art of introducing yourself confidently. When meeting someone for the first time, you can say, "Hello, my name is," and your name. It's a straightforward and polite introduction that immediately lets others know your name. Remember, extending your hand for a handshake complements your introduction and demonstrates sincerity. A firm and confident handshake can make a positive first impression. Now let's explore a role-play scenario to put your greetings and introductions into practice. Imagine you're meeting someone new and you say, "Hello, my name is," and your name. In response, they may say, "Nice to meet you," or "Pleased to meet you." These phrases express pleasure in making your acquaintance. To continue the conversation, you can ask questions like, "Where are you from?" or "What do you do for a living?" These open-ended questions encourage further dialogue and show genuine interest in getting to know the other person. Beyond the words you say, your body language plays a crucial role in greetings and introductions. Remember to smile warmly and maintain eye contact when greeting and introducing yourself. These non-verbal cues show warmth and confidence, making a positive impression on others. Additionally, being culturally sensitive is essential, especially in our diverse and globalized world. Different cultures have unique greetings and customs. In some cultures, a slight bow or nod is customary, while others might prefer a handshake or even a hug among friends. Always observe and respect the cultural norms of those you are interacting with. Now it's time for you to practice. The more you use these greetings and introductions, the more natural they will become in your everyday conversations. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and engage in language exchange groups or role-play exercises with friends. These opportunities allow you to practice greetings and introductions in real-life situations and receive valuable feedback. Remember, making mistakes is a part of the learning process, so embrace the learning journey. In addition to face-to-face interactions, don't underestimate the importance of using these phrases in written communication. Whether in email messages or even handwritten letters, using polite greetings and proper introductions sets a positive tone for your written interactions. Be mindful of the level of formality and your relationship with the recipient when choosing your language. To summarize, greetings and introductions are fundamental aspects of everyday English. From the formal good morning to the informal hi, these phrases create a welcoming atmosphere in your conversations. When introducing yourself, use a confident handshake and a warm smile. Remember to pay attention to body language and cultural norms and show respect and create a positive environment in your interactions. Thank you for joining us in our Everyday English Practice series on greetings and introductions. I hope you found this lesson helpful and enjoyable. If you did, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons on various aspects of English communication. See you in the next video.